Okay, I'm gonna do a really quick taste test on the Walking Dead wine. This is Cabernet Sauvignon. I got it at World Market. It's regularly like 20 bucks. I think it was on sale for like 13. So I wouldn't say I'm a wine connoisseur, but I do love red wine. My father-in-law is from France, and he is, you know, I kind of know from him what is a good wine. He's taught me a little bit about wine, even though I drink cheap wine all the time. So I'm gonna do a little taste test. Out of the way. This one's good. Look at the label. I have a feeling that you're pretty much paying for the label, but it could be good. Let's try it out. Now I really should have let this sit I should have let this sit and breathe for a little while, but give it a thumbs up. Good stuff.